By 2027, knowing the tools won't be enough. As AI takes over more repeatable tasks, employers will look harder for the human strengths that technology can't replace. That's where future-ready soft skills come in. They're quickly becoming the edge that helps you stand out, work better with AI, and grow into higher-value roles. The soft skills that matter most now go beyond speaking clearly or being a team player. What employers increasingly need is judgment, self-awareness, and the ability to navigate complexity. Emotional intelligence matters even more when your team is split across calls, chats, and AI-assisted workflows. You need to read tone, notice friction early, and respond in a way that keeps trust intact. Let's say a manager gives tough feedback in a rushed message. Instead of reacting defensively, you pause, ask clarifying questions, and reply in a way that moves the work forward. That kind of empathy and self-control makes you easier to work with, especially in hybrid teams where small misunderstandings can grow fast. Adaptability means more than staying positive about change. It means learning fast, adjusting your approach, and staying useful when the tools around you keep evolving. For example, if your team starts using a new automation tool, the advantage goes to the person who experiments early, learns the workflow, and helps others use it well. And with the help of AI, presenting those skills has become easier too. CVMaker helps you create a professional CV that highlights your strengths clearly, so employers can see what you bring to the future of work. That habit of continuous learning signals something powerful to employers. You won't just keep up with change, you'll turn it into momentum. Critical thinking is what keeps AI useful instead of risky. If a tool drafts research, slides, or client copy, your job is to test the logic, verify the facts, and improve what's missing. Imagine an AI summary that sounds polished, but leaves out an important detail. A strong candidate catches the gap, checks the source, and rewrites the answer before anyone relies on it. In future jobs, the value won't come from using AI faster than everyone else. It will come from judging its output better. Ethical decision-making is becoming a career skill, not just a leadership one. As technology shapes hiring, data use, and daily decisions, people who think about fairness and privacy stand out. Let's say a team wants to use AI to screen applicants faster. Someone with strong judgment asks whether the process could introduce bias or mishandle personal data. That kind of thinking builds trust, and trust is one of the clearest signals that you're ready for bigger responsibility. Emotional intelligence, adaptability, critical thinking, and ethical judgment all make you more valuable alongside AI, because they strengthen the parts of work that still need a human edge. Start practicing them now in how you learn, collaborate, and make decisions. That's how you get ready for the jobs that are coming next. Future-ready skills deserve a future-ready CV. With CVMaker, showcase your strengths professionally and take the next step in your career.